Hello everyone, today we will learn about trig value without calculator. First, how to find sine value. To find sine value, put increasing order of special angle 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 degree, like this for increasing. Then write 1, 2, 3, 4 in front of this. Then divided by 4 each number. Finally, under radical like this 4. Okay, the special angle and their values are existed parallel each other. The square root of 0 over 4 is in front of 0. The square root of 1 over 4 is in front of 30 degree. The square root of 2 over 4 is in front of 45 degree. The square root of 3 over 4 in front of 60. And the last one is the square root of 4 over 4 is in front of 90 degree. To illustrate furthermore, let us see one by one. Sine 0 degree equals to the square root of 0 over 4 equals to 0. Sine 30 degree equal to the square root of 1 over 4, that means 1, 2. Sine 45 degree equal to the square root of 2 over 4, that means root 2 over 2. Sine 60 degree means the square root of 3 over 4, that means the square root of 3 over 2. Sine 90 degree equal to the square root of 4 over 4, that means 1. Find cos theta. First, like sine theta, increasing order the special angle. But when you count 1 up to 4, we have thir right to left, not like sine theta. Then over 4 over 4 over 4 over 4 over 4. Then put in radical or square root each number to get the exact value. Yes, it is exact value of cos theta. 0 degree equal to the square root of 4 over 4. 30 degree equal to the square root of 3 over 4. 45 degree equal to the square root of 2 over 4. Like exact value to simplify it. Wow, it is the exact value of this. The special angle and their value are parallel each other. Don't forget, for sine, left to right. On the other hand, for cosine, right to left. What about tan theta? Just like sine theta, first 0 to 90 degree for increasing order z over 4 over 4 over 4, then under radical like sine theta, then That means sine theta over cos theta equal to tan theta. The top is sine and the bottom is cos. Then sine over cos equal to tan theta. For to get the exact value of tan theta equal to sine theta over cos theta. It is the relationship between them. To minimize this video, the last answer of tan value will be as follows. Let us see one by one.